I found my snippers and everything finally, and I usually use these every day, and I have probably 6 pairs of them. And the other day I was out in my potting shed and I could not find them for the life of me. I do not know what happened to them. And then I found them, and I am a little upset because when I found them, they were filthy, and it's not like me to not clean these things before I stop using them. So I'm going to show you how to clean these up to make them look like this one, which looks brand new, but it's not, because this is the one that I just cleaned up and it was filthy. So this is how you do it. You get a glove on, because the handle that I'm going to hold the clippers in a gloved hand. Now I have just plain bleach water in here, and I have an old toothbrush. Now the first thing that I do is I take straight bleach water and I wash my tool. And bleach, straight bleach water, is so strong, you gotta make sure you don't get it on your clothes. It is so strong that it will take everything that is not rust right off your tool. Make sure you have the window open or a fan going. I have my window open so it's not so strong. And I scrub everything. And what this is doing is it's taking off tomatoes. If you get tomato stains in your hands, take 10% bleach solution and spray it on your hands. It'll take and just dissolve the tomatoes. And then I have soapy water down here, and I just rinse it. Rinse the tool. Now there's a little bit of surface rust. You probably can't see it, but there's a little bit of surface rust right here. Now I use a stainless steel cleaner, and this one's called Barkeep's Friend. You can use any kind of stainless steel cleaner, but I rinse the toothbrush, and now I'm going to go over all the stainless steel parts on my scissors. And this will take any surface rust and any gunk that didn't come off with the bleach. And it'll just make it completely clean. So the bleach is first, that takes off the grime, and then the Barkeep or stainless steel cleaner takes off the rest. And then again in the soapy water, rinse your toothbrush again, and go over your tool, and then rinse it really, really, really well in plain water. Make sure that you dry your tool really, really, really well. Careful, because it is sharp. Now it looks like brand new. If you have any dings in your tools, you can take your sharpener and you can run it across and sharpen it. These actually look really good still. I might run a sharpener through, but I also will wipe this down with a little bit of WD-40. I'll wipe it down with a little bit of WD-40, but I sit them upside down and lean them up against something. I'll show you here. And I set them upside down after I dry them and lean them up against something for a little while, so any water that gets stuck into the joints will dry. And that's the way I have been washing my tools for years, and it keeps them brand new. So I'm going to finish washing all these tools, and I'll show you what they look like after they're done. Looks brand new again. Got all the crud off of them. These are 3 or 4 years old now. My favorite. They're just my size. So, and these I bought last year. So you can't really tell the difference, can you? 3 years versus 1 year. It's worth keeping your tools clean.